So everybody thinks they've got the best property, okay? I remember this one time, it was down on the south end, and this guy owned a condo, and he was telling me why his property was the best one. And I said, okay, tell me more about that, why? He goes, well, Greg, the dumpster is so close to my balcony, I can literally just toss my bags of garbage out, and if the door's open, I can throw it in the dumpster. I don't even have to walk around to the dumpster. And that was why he thought it was the best property, because of the dumpster. So it never fails how everybody thinks that they have the best property, and they have their own strange reasons sometimes. Got the Be Well meals, stocking up for the week. Well, I got my standard breakfast, which is pretty much eggs, spinach, and sweet potato. Then there's all kinds of different lunches, stuffed potato and chicken with veggies. So staying nice and easy and nice and healthy. Takes the thinking out of lunch.
Okay.
I don't know the end of it.
Yeah. Awesome.
Tasty. Don't drop it. I think that's how it was.
Yeah, that'll work.
Some people have been asking us why we have these photos on the wall, and one of our reasons is that we think they're funny, first of all, but no, actually we're training on the 4 personality types, and this helps us be a better salesperson and be a better listener for our clients. So this is just a reminder as we look at these fun photos behind us to remember the 4 personality types. So Michael Jordan represents a driver personality. And we have Mr. Expressive, Eddie Murphy. Bill Gates represents our analytical buyer or client. And Mother Teresa, maybe a little over the top selection, but this is our amiable personality.
So you got your first business cards?
Got my first business cards. Hey! Oh, they taped this side. All right, let's see how good they look. There it is, right there. Remax first choice. That's the one that's 3141 and
Listen to Sales EQ by Jeb Blunt. He wrote a book called Fanatical Prospecting. Jeb Blunt is one of the premier just sales gurus, just super solid. But Sales EQ is amazing. I've been talking to my team about a lot of the ideas from there as coaching ideas. So just really, really solid. Change your input. What you put into your brain impacts your drive, because we're talking about maintaining a high sales drive. So reading, watching, or listening to negative things will impact your attitude. So what am I allowing in to my world, my mind, my subconscious? What am I allowing? Because don't ever, you're not the victim. You have total control on what you're allowing, whether it's in your car or whether you whatever. I mean, we have control of that. Enthusiasm. So take the enthusiasm part. When I'm standing, I tend to, when I talk with my hand, I mean, it's the energy comes through the phone. And so I would challenge you to stand up when you're prospecting. Don't have to, not going to require it, but that's a challenge.
I think we'll all be standing today. I think it might be tomorrow for me. Standing in these shoes.
Carrie, God bless her, she's not here, but she's paces apparently.
Yeah.
So the kids are out of school?
They are out of school, yes. Scholar had her 8th grade graduation. And they are home for the summer. Hopefully they won't drive me crazy.
We got to go. We're headed to Turnberry Park condos. They're brick condos here off of Carolina Forest Boulevard. There are several they're low-rise, like 2-story buildings, 2 and 3 bedroom condos. What's interesting about this property is she was referred to me by someone, and as I looked up the history, I was the listing agent. I sold this property when the buyer bought it, and so that's kind of interesting. And so hopefully we're going to be selling it again. The property needs to be emptied out, but it should be in pretty good shape, and that's all happening like in the next couple of days. So we'll be on the market, here in about a week on this one. So we'll be coming soon. Yeah, today is their first day of summer vacation, and last night we had Patrick over, my nephew. He's the same age as Steele, and Stephanie and I. It was probably like 8:45. Went down. We told them 10 o'clock, lights off. They're playing something, and we're watching the show, and we went to bed. And we said 10 o'clock, lights out. I don't think we've ever done that before, but they didn't have to get up, so it was fun. They usually go to bed at like 8:30, and so do I.
Yeah, you guys are early. Yeah, you're an early riser.
Yeah, I get up kind of early and get out the door. The battle is in the summertime is like they're putting me down. Like I don't even put them down anymore. Literally my daughter will come and then like rub my head, and like I'm in bed and she'll go to bed. Like it's just funny. It's because I go to bed early, and especially in the summer they don't want to go to they're up a little later. It's fun. Might have beat her.
So we'll have that. I'm waiting for my hired help, my unhired help. Pizza maybe and a beer or something like that, glass of wine. They'll help Auntie move all of that because I physically can't do it. So.
You've got so much energy and joy that you exude, doesn't she? I mean, I don't usually tell someone before, you're so cute. Like you just have, I love being around people that have energy and are enthusiastic. I talk to my team about it all the time. People buy from people that are enthusiastic and have a good attitude.
That's right. Let's get this done.
So
get up and get on with it.
Good for you. What do you like to do in your spare time when you're not managing an estate?
Well, I was a member of the book club here.
Okay.
That's gone, and I like to cook, and I like to travel.
So yeah.
So what I am going to do is I'm going to take the 3-river cruise in Europe that we never got to take. It begins in Amsterdam and it ends in Budapest.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, it's the Main, the Rhine, and the Danube. And it's a little river boat and just cruises up and down.
Great.
Thanks, guys.
We'll be in touch.
Bye. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Bye.
Patsy.
Toodles.
Bye.
Open the door, too.
She is so sweet, man.